Hi guys, today is March 30th, sorry, not 13, March 30th, and the time is 2:12. At this point I should not even trade, but I'm ready to trade. Remember guys, trading is all risky. Be very cautious with your trading. Consult your financial advisor before you trade. Okay, so whatever I do is this video is made for education purpose only. So I'm just trying to trade because it's it's the timing is very important for me. So want to trade this right now. So please, this video is made for education purpose only. Once I'm focusing this and I'm talking to you guys as well. So please, whatever I say in this video is strictly for education purpose. It's my suggestion. It's not for you to take it. Sold. I have made $280 right now. Just want to get in and get out because the closer it comes to the stock market to close, and it will be, I'm just trying to buy more. So this will be a very quick video. Chop, getting in, getting out. So yes, the closer is coming, the time is coming to close the market. The volume, the market is moving up and down. At the same time, those options are getting expired too. So you know, that's another thing as well. So far I'm holding 50 options. This video will be very quick because the time is everything for me at this point. It's showing some promising result to go up. So one move up, at this point I should able to make very good money. Should able to cover up my $500 mark. If I make $500, I'm going to move out very quickly. So yes, again guys, any type of trading is very risky. Crypto, stocks, options, futures, bond, anything digital thing is very risky. So please consult your financial broker or advisor, and please be careful. Oh God, Jesus Christ, come on, come up. Don't want you to accumulate anymore. So yes, so one move up should be done with my what do you call it, done with my $500 mark. Okay, again, for me to hit that goal is very easy, and that's how I like to play that game, which is easy for me to play. Okay, I don't set up the rules for somebody else. Set up for rules for me, and these are my rules. Play the game which is easy for you to win. Come on. One move up. Come on, man. I know there's a lot of supply right over there. Resistance. Come on. Those supplies are like showing some promising thing, but at the same time, okay, guys, I am selling. God. Sold half of it, but I lost. God, I lost it. That option dropped so fast in value, you won't even believe it. There you go. So I bought the dip, and so far whenever I was clicking, that happens a lot, guys. Sold. Okay, there you go. So have you guys seen that I lost quite amount of money when I was like up $300? So you know what really happened at that moment in time? Anybody can understand. That's like that option dropped in that split second. That's what it is. So sometime it drops and it comes back up. So when I'm clicking it, I sold it down. That's what it is. And those options are very liquid. These options are expiring right now, guys. Like 2:30, they're going to expire. This will going to drop in value so much you won't even believe it. You won't even believe it, because this is like a melting in a hot sun. When you put an ice cube in a hot sun, that's what it is, melting in a hot sun right now. So if you saw that I was up $300, I sold half of it. When I was selling half of it, at that point, I don't know what really happened. Like the option dropped in value so badly, I guess, an attack and something happened, and I was like losing. I'm like, Jesus Christ, lost whatever I made, and it was showing me into the loss, sell it in more loss, and I accumulate more because I saw it was like showing some promising result because like coming up. I said like, you know what, accumulate more, 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 and I double it up, and I sold it right over here. So again, this was again a supply. This is very very important for you to understand. This is very very important for you to understand what is a supply. So if you cannot figure that out, this is very very important for you, because if you don't know supply and demand, then the game becomes difficult for you to win. So, and you have to, this is showing very promising result. It's going to go up, but I'm scared about those options, guys. Don't get me wrong. The time is 12:18 and I'm scared about those options. It might still go up but drop in value. Okay, like this kind of move, it will going to go up, but the slow moves is still losing. It's still losing. So it's like one of those. I remember one of the song in the like loving you is a losing game. That's what it is. I love these options, but guess what, loving them and with the time, it's like a losing game for me. So you know God, yes, loving you is a losing game. It's something like that song. That is what I remember. It popped out in my mind. Okay, so yes guys, I don't want to drag this video any more longer. You guys saw how fast you can make money, how fast you can lose money, how many options I trade today. 450 options. So I have a commission right over there. Yesterday, if you guys saw the yesterday's video, traded 4,000 options. I kind of lost. So I want to keep it this very very simple. If you guys saw this video very exciting, go and check yesterday's video. It's not that exciting. It's like I'm struggling to make money because yesterday like I was losing. That's what it is. So again, all those videos have very good, very very good for you to understand if you want to become a day trader. Okay, for you to so those are very good case studies basically. So you can make very quickly money, no doubt, in and out. I have probably traded 100 like 200, and because 200 and somewhere 15 stocks I bought it like options, and I sold something like that. So that's like a total amount of option traded at one point. Okay, so please please look into that. Yesterday's video today, I can tell you very quickly, saw that move and able to move out. But I can tell you one thing, that move was not that easy. A lot of people will gonna crush their emotions right over here and gonna lose. I'm telling you, it happened to me before, and it will gonna happen to you as a beginning trader. As a beginning trader, it will gonna happen to you. Okay, it's like I said, this kind of move will makes you money, no doubt. That option has moved out, but in the split second, sometime the exchange have that glitch. There are a lot of time. Let me tell you something. If you go and check yesterday's not yesterday, last year news to this year news, and all since like 2010, the electronic exchange has a lot of glitches. Sometimes they will going to show you your account lost, your portfolio is like zero minus, and sometimes it will going to show you your portfolio has like a $10 million, and you're like so excited, and later on they correct that part. So that's what sometimes happens. Okay, those things do happen in the exchange. Nasdaq have that problem. Okay, a lot of exchanges, they do have that problem. So those are the things occurs in the market. If those things happen, they will go and take the data from another exchanges, and they'll try to solve that problem. So that's all. That's what happens too a lot of time. So like I said, those are like totally digital. They have a lot of servers all around the world. They'll try to get the data from other servers and all. That's how they are fixing that problem. Okay, so yes, the exchanges are all around the world. Basically, it's not only in America, it's not only in Europe. The exchanges are in India, Asia, China, then in Russia they have exchange. They'll take the exchange data from their all the places. Basically all the places they have exchanges these days. So yes, they'll take all the data and they'll adjust your account according to that as well. So very quickly. So at that point, it probably went down. It can be took out that something happened, and so the what do you call it? The data was taken up from other exchange where it was trading way too low. So that can be happen. You understand? So that is very very normal to happen in our markets, basically, and it did happen before. So I'm so it did happen before also. So it's like more likely it will can happen every time. Okay, so a lot of time, probably even if you go and check one of my video, like $2,000 I lost and I gained back $2,000. So that video also, it happened, I saw it. So yes, guys, I don't want to drag this video anymore. Please be very very patient, very very careful regarding your trading. Okay, and you have to be very very fast in trading as well, because if you try to trade very slow, you will gonna lose money. And you have to be Bruce Lee. That's what it is. Like getting in, chop chop chop, getting out. When you see the profit, take your profit, buy again, take your profit. It's like accumulating. When the market is also accumulating, you are also accumulating the money. That's what I'm doing basically. When the market is accumulating, I'm accumulating and I'm selling it for the higher price, buying it at the low price and selling it for the higher price. Basically, that's what exactly my thing is. Okay, my way of trading is very simple, but sometimes it goes against you, and then I go opposite direction. I play the puts. So the put side also I play the same thing. So yes, gold is up, things are getting the futures are getting, look like they are like a little bit stronger. The oil might go up as well. So please keep an eye on all these things, because if you're trading, you need to know these things basically. And even if you're not trading, it's good to know. If the gold is up, the oil is up, the futures are up, the S&P, what the S&P did today, what was the news, all the things basically. That's what it is. All right, I want to keep this less than 15 minutes, guys, so that you guys can check again and again what really happened. That's what probably when I lost that money, I was like, damn, I lost it. My emotion was like shit. But at the same time, I don't trade with the emotion. I trade the chart basically. I'll tell you one thing: I don't trade the emotion. I trade the chart. Why I say that? Because remember, the stock came down over here. It dropped. It went up. Came down. Took off. Basically, you see, this took off. This took off. Dropped again, coming at that. This is the demand right over there. So, and it's coming up at that moment in time, and you know what I said, it's coming up, so it will go and do the same thing whatever it did over here. So most of the time it does repeat the thing. So when it was coming up, I accumulate more, and then more. I just double my things, and that's how my account was like boom, in like a second, basically in like a second, and I sold it right over there. So that's what happened basically. Like I made like $715 basically. That's how it is. So you need to spot those things. You need to see what the market is doing, where are the supplies and where are demands basically. That's what you need to see. All right, guys. Thank you for checking my video. Thank you for checking my video. Please subscribe to my channel subscribe, that is this red button right over there, or somewhere over here there's a that will be a button too, right over here on the right hand side bottom corner, or there will be a at the bottom there will be a subscribe button as well. So please subscribe to that button, hit the like, and please comment below if you learn something, or if you make some money, if you trader already, if you make some money, please comment below. Please share my video, because it helps people to understand, because there are a lot of gurus on the platform, on the YouTube, who are not telling you the truth. Basically, I'm recording this and I'm putting it on you guys to understand how the trading is really been done. No doubt you can make very good money, but what my point is, like, a lot of people, they're claiming, oh, I bought right over here for like $1,000 shares, and I sold it for $5,000 right over here. Yeah, very likely it can happen, no doubt about it, but I am very not sure, because they don't show you when they are doing it. That's what I mean. They are not showing you when they are doing it. You understand? They are not ready to share that information. They are not ready to show you. I am doing it live. You saw my shares are going up over here, shares are going down over here, price is moving in and out. They don't show that part, okay? When they bought exactly. You saw me, I bought right over here, and I sold right over here as well, so that's what it is. So these people who are like giving you the false information on the YouTube. Oh, I bought right over here. There was a buy signal right over here. There are a lot of things called a buy signal. Okay, I got a signal to get into the trade. Crap. Totally crap. Okay, and I get a signal when they saw this, the whole thing. Like, then they could say, I got a signal right over here to sell it. Oh yes, yeah. That's another crap too, like something like that. So they are not ready to do that live. I mean, like, record it when you're doing. How about that? Record it and put it on the YouTube. Let's see, what's your signal look like then. Let's see how your signal look like. That's what I can say. So yes, if you check my thing, you will see I'm doing it. It was all 000 over here. There's nothing position open up. So when you see my thing, you'll see the position open up, position size, and I'm telling you 30, 40, 50 position. And I'm buying it, buy, sell, sold. Sold means sold. You understand? Sold half of it, and now I say half of it sold. That's what it is. So yes, please be careful. Again, I'm closing my video. Please hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate for you guys who are already subscribing my channel. Thank you for your love and support, and thank you for the people who are also sharing my video on the Facebook. Thank you very much. I'm like really happy that you guys were like sharing this information with the public, basically. Thank you very much for sharing it. All right, guys, stay blessed and stay peace. I'm closing my video. Thank you again.